Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is August the 1st, 2021. Take a look at my screen. We're going to give y'all an exposed ZipTrader stock picks. We're going to look at a couple of stocks that he recommended back on December the 30th, 2018. Sometimes you just want to see how good these YouTubers are at picking stocks, and today we are going to give you that video for ZipTrader. So before I break all of that down, if you all want to join our team, join our community, if you appreciate the content that we are creating, make sure you hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. So now let's do this real quick. So first thing, you guys can see here that this video is still posted on YouTube. December the 30th, right here, 2018 is when he created this video talking about marijuana stocks that you want to buy January 2019, right? And he makes it easy for us. The stock picks that he listed or that he mentions on his video is actually posted here in the description of the video. Here you have Cusco Holdings, Scott's Miracle-Gro, CV Sciences, Canopy Growth Corporation, and Afria. Okay, so out of these picks right here, the ones that we are going to look at is going to be Cusco Company, Canopy Growth, and CV Sciences. All right, we just want to see how good he is at picking these stocks, because one thing that a lot of these YouTubers do, they create these videos showing stocks that you want to buy, but they never create a follow-on video to tell you when you need to sell or when you may want to take the profits off the table. Now there's one quote here, a comment here on this video right here, about 2 years ago. So this video has been up on YouTube for 2 whole years so far, going on 3. Can you invest in stocks for the long term? I'm very new to this. I'll just like to put some money in stocks and keep it for a few years. Is that possible? Yes, 100%. But this channel generally focuses on holding stocks for less than a year. So about 12 months is how on average ZipTrader holds his stock picks. All right. So when we go into the report that we've created, we need to see from a 12-month time period, what does the performance look like? Okay. So automatically on that particular day, the year to date from when this video was posted, whatever the stock price was, would you get out the market and take the loss, or would you continue to hold on for the long term, hoping and wishing that that particular stock will go back up in higher price? So let's take a look real quick. Let's look at the report. Okay, so this is the report right here. Like I said, the video was uploaded to YouTube on December the 30th, 2018. That was on either Saturday or Sunday, I'm not sure. So what we had to do was we had to take the close of the stock price on Friday. So we had to have a starting point, and the starting point for us was the close of the stock price on Friday in December, okay, 2018. So this is just a look back. Just look at these stocks real quick. All right. So first one up is Canopy Growth. Now from the gate, this particular performance for Canopy Growth has been pretty good. From the 7-day, 30-day, and even the 90-day return, so 3 months, you were in profitability. You was actually making some pretty good gains. The most gains that you could have received was within 30 days. And you see on this particular report that the 90-day, you lost some of those profitabilities from 72% back down to 55. So the profits that you was garnering on that one particular pick that he chose, you start losing. And then look at this. Purchase year to date. So from December the 30th, 2018 to December the 30th, 2019, you were down 31% right there. You see how fast you can lose those profits? You see how fast you can actually be in profit mode one day, and then the next, if you hold it longer, you lose all of those gains. Now let's take a look at CV Sciences. Okay, again, out the gate, 7 days, you're profitable. 30 days, you're profitable there, 27.38%. Your profits were increasing on this particular pick. 90 days, 44.76%. But then year to date, down 79%. If he holds these stocks for a year, then you're down 31% on Canopy Growth. You're down 79% on CV Sciences. A lot of the profitability that you should have garnered and should have taken was within the first 90 days. Let's take a look at this third one, which is Cusco Holdings. 17% first 7 days. 17% profitability right there. Now, would you have taken a profit into the market then in 7 days, or would you have waited? Because most people, their emotions get the best of them, and they see that they're already up 17% in a short time frame. They want to continue to hold, expecting to have higher price profitability later on down the line. So let's say you did hold 30 days, that 17% went down to 7.25. You lost 10% profitability within the first 30 days. 90 days, you got right back up to 17%. So you've had opportunity to grab the bag from the trap and take the money and go. Now, if you wanted to hold it for a year or longer, take a look. You're down 70% on this particular play as well. So again, these YouTubers, there's no doubt that you can pick out stocks. Anybody can pick out stocks, and you can have time periods to where the market will go higher and then time periods where the market will go lower. It's better for you to understand when you need to take out the profits though, right? It's good to have videos on trying to get people to buy, or what you try to say are buys within the stock market, but you never come back and do an update. You never come back and say, okay, this is where I would have gotten out at, or this is where I'm expecting to take the profit, right? Because take a look at here at the bottom. So the close price for Canopy Growth back on December the 28th, 2018, the price was at $27.37 on the close. Now it's $18.91. So we're going into the market in Canopy Growth a year time period, and the price is doing it. You're down almost 31% on that play today. If you're still into the market today, you're down 31%. Look at CVS Sciences. The price back in December 2018 was at $4.20. That stock price is now 33 cents. You lost almost 100% of your market money that you put in that play. You'll be down almost 100%. Take a look at Cusco Companies, the last one at the bottom. The date the close price was back in December 2018 was $5.13. Take a look at the price now. It's at 86 cents. That's 83.25% profitability loss. That's not profitability, that's a loss, excuse me. You're down. So all of the plays from December 30th, 2018 to August 1st, 2021, you're down massively on all three picks that he chose on that video. It's one thing that we wanted to start exposing is how these stocks perform. Many channels are out there giving you stock picks, telling you stocks that are a buy. For us, we're going to come back and see how they actually performed to see if they were actually good stock picks, because conversely, these stocks that they are choosing, that they are recommending are buys, you would expect the profit to increase gradually the longer that you hold these stocks. That is the premise that is being strewn throughout YouTube. That's why they want you to hold for 5, 10, 15 years, because you're expecting the market value of your position to increase. We're giving you examples that is not always the case. You need to understand, when you're in a position, you got to learn how to cut it, take the profits off the market, because on this particular situation, on his stock picks, your profitability was had within the first 90 days. If you held within a year or longer, you're not in profitability right now. So I just wanted to come in, give you another expose of some stock picks that these YouTubers are choosing, and just follow on the performance. Let's just see how they look today. And let's see what it looked like 7 days, 30, 90, year to date, 3-year return. Let's just see how it looks. And here it is. An actual report on 3 stocks that ZipTrader chose on December the 30th, 2018. You guys can tell that the video was still posted on YouTube. So now, what do you think? Do you think it's a good thing to hold stocks for a long term, i.e. a year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years? Or do you think it's better to see and take profitability while you have it within the first 30, 90, 7 days? What do you think? Let us know. If you guys have another YouTuber that has done some videos on some stock picks that they are recommending our buys that are at least, 3 years out, let us know. And we'll go ahead and do an expose on them as well. That's it. That's all I got. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.